Palmetto perlite is a volcanic glass that undergoes a fascinating transformation through volcanic activity. The process begins with the eruption of volcanoes, where magma containing water and other volatile components is expelled onto the Earth's surface. As this magma cools rapidly, it solidifies into a glassy material known as obsidian. Over time, water infiltrates the porous obsidian, causing it to undergo a process called hydration. The water molecules are absorbed into the volcanic glass, resulting in the formation of perlite. This process is gradual and can take thousands of years as the water content increases. Obsidian expands and cracks, creating distinctive bubble-like structures within the material. These bubbles are the hallmark of perlite and contribute to its lightweight and porous nature. The perlite deposits are often found near the original volcanic source, although geological forces such as erosion and weathering can transport perlite particles over long distances. Mining operations extract perlite from these deposits and it is then processed to meet various industrial and horticultural applications. In industrial settings, perlite is subjected to high temperatures, causing it to expand further. This expanded perlite is utilized in construction insulation and as a filter aid in horticulture. Perlite's lightweight and porous properties make it an ideal addition to soil mixes, promoting aeration and water retention for plant growth.